On 16 April 2017, BBC published a news about a woman who died at the age of 117 years and 137 days. Her name was Emma Moreno, and on the day she died, she was the oldest person in the world. Now you might be wondering why I am telling this story, because this story is related to the video I am going to talk about today, and the video is about eggs. On one of the interview Emma gave to one of the local newspapers, she mentioned that she used to eat 3 eggs per day, and she did that for almost 90 years. And she used to eat 2 raw eggs in the morning and 1 omelette in the afternoon. And she practiced that habit after the end of World War I, which was around 1918, and then she did that for next 90 years. So that means in her lifetime she ate more than 100,000 eggs. So that means there must be something in egg which was responsible for the longevity of our life. So today guys, we are going to talk about this highly nutritious egg, which is also called superfood, and we are going to discuss about what are the health benefit of this egg. So let's begin. Eggs are highly nutritious. That means there are a lot of nutrients available in the egg which are highly beneficial for your body. If you eat 2 eggs, you will get around 80% of your daily requirements of vitamin D, around 40% of your daily requirement of selenium, around 50% of your daily requirement of folate, and around 25% of your daily requirement of vitamin B2. That means it is highly nutritious. Also, if you eat 100 gram of eggs, that means you will get around 12 gram of protein, around 10 gram of fat, and also around 130 microgram of sodium. And also there are other nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, omega-3, antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, choline, and several other nutrients are available in eggs. So that means egg will provide you a lot of nutrients that are really good for your health. So egg is highly nutritious, and if you want to get healthy, you can eat at least 1 egg per day. The other health benefit of egg is that the protein in egg is of very good quality. That means it has 9 essential amino acids, and those essential amino acids cannot be synthesized in your body. That means they have to be available in the diet. You have to get them from a diet, and egg has 9 of them. So egg is a very good source of protein, and that protein is also of very good value. And protein, as you all know, is important for growth, muscle building, and recovery, and also immunity. So eat egg at least once a day if you want to be healthy. The other health benefit of egg is that eggs can make you full and can also help you manage your weight. Studies have shown that if you include eggs as a part of your breakfast, that can make you feel full, so that your desire to eat later in the day becomes slightly less. That means your total calorie intake during the daytime becomes less, which can help you manage weight. So egg can be beneficial in this area as well. Eggs are a very good source of vitamin D. Vitamin D, as you all know, is also called sunshine vitamin, which is really important for the proper absorption of calcium and phosphorus in your body. And calcium and phosphorus are the major component of bone. That means they helps to make your bone and teeth strong. So if you want to make your bone and teeth strong, you have to eat at least 1 egg per day. Eggs are also a very good source of choline. Choline is really important for brain and spinal cord development, and if you talk about pregnant women, they need extra choline because that choline goes to the baby for the brain development of that baby. So eggs can be a good source of choline for pregnant women as well, and to other normal people. Eggs also contain antioxidants like vitamin A, which are really good for your eyes, and eggs also are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin that can prevent conditions like cataract, macular degeneration, and also can maintain health of your eyes. So eggs are good for eyes as well. The other benefit of eggs are that they are a good source of omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acid are the component of polyunsaturated fatty acid, which are really beneficial for your skin, for your heart and brain health. So, and also the other thing is omega-3 fatty acids are available in fish as well, and if you are allergic to fish, you can include egg in your diet, which can give you omega-3 as well. So include eggs as a part of your daily diet if you want to get good amount of omega-3 in your diet. Also, the other health benefit of egg is that eggs are a very good source of selenium. Selenium is an antioxidant which can help remove free radicals from the body. Studies have shown that free radicals can sometimes cause the conditions like cancer as well, and also selenium is important for your skin health, normal body functioning, and also for immunity. Eggs can provide you that selenium which can make you healthy. There is one myth about egg which I want to clear. Many studies and many people in the past used to say that if you eat a lot of egg, that can raise your body cholesterol and that can be bad for your cardiovascular health. Well, some studies have suggested that, but there are several other studies which are against this as well. So what I think is, if you do not eat a lot of egg but just include at least 1 or 2 eggs per day, I'm sure that will not do any harm to your cardiovascular health. And cardiovascular health is not only about eating one particular diet, it is about your lifestyle. So if you smoke, or if you do not do a lot of exercise, and if you eat a lot of red meat, that also negatively affects cardiovascular health. So I don't think egg is a culprit as long as you just eat 1 or 2 eggs per day. So this is the one myth I wanted to talk about. So guys, this is the end of today's video. I hope you liked the content, and also if you are interested in egg, and also if you eat eggs as a part of your daily diet, don't forget to put down below in the comments how many eggs you eat per day. And also if you like our videos, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you again in next video. Until then, bye. Thank you.